Hello everybody. We have a Union Pacific today, and I'm starting to see the colors through this camera because my eyesight is crap. This is the second time I've caught it, well, third time, because you guys remember the old video that I caught down. I caught one down in Elmwood. I caught one with the caboose. Finally! Now I can relax my eyes, man. Today's a nice little Thursday. We rode 7 miles to get here on bike to give you this. So let's just say this is something I do instead of homework. Yeah, I do this, not homework. Homework is a waste of time. I do this. But I did finish my homework, but most of the time when I don't finish my homework, that means I went railfanning. Do I care if I did my homework or not? No. But since I'm in the 8th grade, well, I do care now, because, man, I want to graduate. I want to get out of middle school and elementary. I want to get to high school, get high school over with, get a job, start my life early. I do not want to go to college. Is that cardboard or wood? No, that's wood. Big thing of wood. That's probably really heavy. Oh, it is really heavy. Hopefully we can catch the Sioux Line Heritage Unit that's to be staying around here. That's been cruising and riding, moving around here. Something I like to look at and read is I call it, people say it's a bad thing, but you know, like when you spray paint on these rail cars, graffiti, I call it art. Because it just looks good. It looks a lot better than modern day art. Because modern day art is garbage. Graffiti.
Yes, that boxcar is super rare.
Which one?
Which one? The first one, the red boxcar.
Ah. How's it rare?
I've never seen it before.
Ah, okay. This is a new thing, a blue gondola car. I like these gondola cars. They're pretty.
There's not many of them around anymore. That's why you never see a train of just gondolas unless if it's really short.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the end of it. Oh, he's not turning down the cross. He's going straight. That's a surprise.
Bro, he's going over so many switches. He's gone over like 3 switches by now. Oh my god, just move this camera back or if I really hope we can catch the Sioux Line Heritage Unit. If you're curious, the reason why you don't see gondolas anymore is I'm thinking is because we don't really collect coal anymore. Because there aren't many steam engines around anymore here in the Americas. If there is, that means it's either a special occasion, like the big boy, or that was Union Pacific's, or it's just part of a historical park where they like you sit in the engine and ride around. like the Durango and Silverton in Colorado. That narrow gauge railway. This train's gonna end really soon, so yeah. My friend Chris, he likes to record like this, but me, I kind of like to record like that because you kind of get to see it coming. But I'm probably gonna do it like this now, so then I can rest my eyes, and it's easier for you guys to see. I'm crouching down for you guys right now, so you guys can get like. Yeah. Every time I record, I try something new. Okay, I'm getting up now. My legs are starting to cramp. Because I had to ride 7 miles to get here. Oh yeah, there's that metro. Don't stop recording. I'm telling Chris's trains to not stop recording. What? Yep. So now I'm gonna put it back to 0.5 so you guys can see it easier as soon as it gets close to me. Oh, there's 2 of them. That was the fastest I've probably seen a metro.
That's next train.
Yeah. That kind of shook me a little as soon as it got here in Horn. And like felt that.
We'll see where it went down.
Okay guys, I'll see you guys in a bit as soon as another train comes by. Bye.